How to cancel a payment in Zelle. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your credentials. Next, go to your activity page or transaction history within the app. Look for the payment you want to cancel. If the recipient has not yet enrolled with Zelle, you will see the option Cancel this payment. Tap on it to stop the transaction. This will ensure that the money doesn't get sent to the recipient's account. However, if the recipient has already enrolled with Zelle, the payment is sent directly to their bank account and cannot be cancelled. This is why it's crucial to only send money to people you know and trust, and always double check that you have entered the correct email address or US mobile number when sending money. By following these steps, you can safely cancel pending payments in Zelle and avoid sending money to the wrong person. Now you know how to cancel a payment in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.